After applying these lens, you will observe that the image is formed on the retina. It means now the person able to see the object clearly. Now here the question arises, what is the power of lens and how we calculate the power of lens? In order to calculate the power of lens, we have to apply the lens formula. Here we know that power of lens is nothing but 1 upon focal length, and from where we calculate the focal length of lens? Focal length we calculate from lens formula, that is 1 upon v minus 1 upon u equals to 1 upon f. Now first of all understand the meaning of v and u in term of this. Here u is a object distance. In case of myopia, we have to see the object which are at infinity. So here u is minus infinity because the object is formed on the left side. So u is minus infinity in case of myopia, and for hypermetropia we have to see the object clearly at 25 centimeter. So here u is minus 25 centimeter. Next term is v. V is nothing but a image distance. In this case, v is a distance up to which a person can see the object clearly. In case of myopia, for example, a person able to see the object at 80 centimeter and beyond 80 centimeter he is not able to see the object. It means for myopic person, v value is minus 80 centimeter. And in case of hypermetropia, if a person able to read the book at 30 centimeter and before 30 centimeter he is not able to read the book, it means for hypermetropia defect the v value is minus 30 centimeter. Put the u and v values in the lens formula in both sides. After solving, we get a focal length. Now we know that focal length is inverse of focal length is a power of lens. So put the value p is equals to 1 upon f. Here note one thing, that in order to calculate the power, first we have to convert the focal length into meter. After converting, we get a power formula. In case of a myopia, power formula is p is equals to minus 1 upon x, and in case of the hypermetropia, the power formula is 1 upon 25 minus 1 upon x into 100 if focal length is in centimeter. Let's see the numericals related to this concept. Our first numerical is when a person cannot see the object beyond 1.5 meter, then what should be the lens used in order to correct his vision. So let's see what is given here. The person not able to see the object 1.5 beyond, it means this person is suffered from myopia. So here u is minus infinity, v is minus 1.5 meter, and focal length we have to calculate in order to calculate the power. So apply the lens formula, 1 upon v minus 1 upon u equals to 1 upon f. Put the value of v and u in the equation. Here we get 1 upon minus 1.5 minus 1 upon minus infinity is equals to 1 upon f. Here 1 upon infinity is nothing but a 0, and after calculating we get the value of focal length, that is minus 1.5 meter. Now put this value in the power formula. Power is equals to 1 upon f. Here we put the focal length as it is. Why? Because it is given in the meter. So p is equals to 1 upon minus 1.5. After solving, we get power is equals to minus 0.67 diopter. So this power is in negative sign. It means he uses concave lens. We also see that the myopic person uses a concave lens. And what is the power of that lens? That lens is minus 0.767 diopter. Next question is, if an old person uses +2 diopter lenses, up to what distance he is able to read the book clearly without the specs or lenses? So in this question we have to calculate v value. This person uses a lens of +2 diopter, it means he uses convex lens. So this person is suffered from hypermetropia. In case of hypermetropia, u value is minus 25 centimeter. We have to calculate v. From where we calculate the v? V we calculate from 1 upon v minus 1 upon u equals to 1 upon f. Here f is not given, power is given. So first of all we have to calculate focal length from power. We know that f is equals to 1 upon p, and put the value of p, we get 1 upon 2, that is 0.5 meter. Everything is given in the centimeter, so convert it into centimeter, we get 50 centimeter as a f. Now put this value in the equation, that is in the length formula. After calculation we get v is equals to minus 50 centimeter. It means without lenses a person able to read the book 50 centimeter from his eyes.